What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the "not all contacts were deleted" error you are getting on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Usually, when trying to delete contacts on your iPhone, this error can occur as your contact list is backed up in your iCloud because of content restrictions or because the contact has to be deleted on another application first. If you want to delete a contact who has been created on WhatsApp, for example, you should proceed to delete it in your WhatsApp application. Here, navigate to the contact and tap on Edit. You can then proceed to delete the contact from here. In case this problem affects your normal contacts too, then open up your Settings application. Here, tap on your Apple ID name and select iCloud. In this list of applications, make sure to disable contacts for now. This will prevent other devices associated with your Apple ID from having issues when trying to delete a contact. When this is done, head back to your main settings and tap on Screen Time. From here, go to your Content and Privacy restrictions. Under Contacts, make sure that Allow Changes is selected. This will enable you to delete contacts in the future. You can then proceed to enable contacts to be backed up in your iCloud again. In case nothing helps you out, then navigate to your software update settings. Here, select to download and install the latest update in case there's one available to you. You can then proceed to restart your iPhone. Restarting your device will restart all processes, which can, in a lot of cases, fix the error you are getting. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.